Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Chevy Cruze and your rear door does not open from the inside, stay with us guys and we'll explain what causes that. Now, you may experiencing door not opening from the outside, but we have a separate video. But if your rear door doesn't open from the inside guys, it could be 3 reasons and we're going to cover all that today. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. We do all that guys so we can save you as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you guys need any parts for your car or any tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get parts for amazing price, really good price and fast shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So we have the door apart already. We want to explain what could be the reason guys. Number one guys, check out that you don't have the child, okay, child safety engaged right here. You can see like that. It lets you open the door from the inside. If that thing is turned this way, you cannot open the door from the inside, no matter what you do guys. So this is number one. Super simple, but most people just forget about it. I mean, it happens. You forget that this thing is there sometimes, especially if you don't have kids. And if somebody left it on, or sometimes it may even turn on if you close the door really hard. That could cause guys the door not to open from the inside. Now, another reason guys for that door not to open from the inside is right here, the door guys, where the door handle moves, you have a cable. Okay, let us explain now. That cable attaches to the interior door handle. Okay, let us show you now. This cable should be attached. Okay, I'm trying to come in the canal here. And then we need to come back more. Okay, the cable needs to be attached like that. Sometimes that cable will get loose. What will happen? Okay, it will fall off. It will fall off and your door handle will not work. It will be like that. So it could be a broken clip or it could be just a loose cable in some cases. Another thing guys, under the same reason, it could be a broken interior handle that pulls the cable here. That could happen as well. So you have to remove the door panel and inspect that. This is the most common reason probably. Now, if all that checks out, everything's good, most likely guys you have a bad door lock actuator, and that's where the mechanism for the child protection is as well. So in that case you need to remove, inspect and replace your door lock actuator. But pretty much those are the reasons guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.